These are the OX Pro 7-inch snips, a must-have for every tradesman's toolbox. They're sometimes known as a knife replacement because the jaws aren't as sharp as a standard open knife, but because you can use them like scissors, it enables you to cut through a wide selection of products, such as leather, artificial grass, thin gauge metal, wire, chicken bones, and many more products that you'll find on the construction site. You've got a stainless steel metal section running right through the handles. The ergonomic handles fit nicely in the hand and enable you to exert maximum pressure through the blades to cut the range of materials. It's spring loaded to allow for continuous cutting. It has a safety catch here that locks the jaws closed for putting in your pocket or a toolbox. These are the OX Pro 7-inch snips.